guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm again here for another review of one of the fragrance that was definitely a try. So let's get started. I just opened it, I just got the parcel. So this is the fragrance that I got. This is by Victoria's Secret, and this is Victoria's Secret Bombshell Oud, and it's a fine fragrance mist that is 250 ml, coats 3K. I really wanted to try this one because the ouds by Victoria's Secret were really trending. They were like, they're the best fragrances you can have. So I always start with mist. I do not go straight away to the perfume bottle, the glass one. So I'll try the mist because it is almost similar, so I'll get an idea कि कैसा fragrance होने वाली है. So let's try it, how it is. Okay. And there's this one thing, whenever you spritz a fragrance, although इतने पास से नहीं करते, I'm doing that to get better notes. And दूसरी चीज़, you do not rub it. You can हल्का सा dab it. That's it. So oh my god, this is really nice. This one is really amazing. So it's a very cozy, body hugging, cozy, sensual, seductive kind of a fragrance. First I'll tell you my opinion कि मुझे कैसी fragrance लगी, and then we'll move on to the notes that they have claimed or they've mentioned on the website. ठीक है, because obviously on the bottle it's not mentioned. I'm getting the musky notes. I'm getting citrusy notes, some citrusy, a little woody, a little musky. Let's see what it says on the website. While it's loading, the connectivity here is really poor, telling you guys. It says that it is a sensual and intriguing fragrance. As I just mentioned, yes, it is sensual, it is intriguing, it is exciting, it is a very attractive kind of fragrance. A rich blend of peony and smoky oud. So yes, I told you, right? A little woody kind of fragrance, or a smoky, woody kind of, and it lingers, it stays. Yes, that is true. It's a light as air mist, rich blend of peony and smoky oud. So yes, it stands by words. Also, it has mandarin orange. So as I mentioned, yes, मुझे citrusy fragrance आई. So we do have mandarin orange in this one. We have pink saffron. So I'm not sure how pink saffron smells like, but if this is the blend, it's amazing. And it has, of course, the fragrance type is oud. So okay, I'll tell you something. It is kind of a strong fragrance when it comes to women's collection, है ना? When it comes to women fragrances, तो ये थोड़ा सा stronger side, but it's not mild, it's not subtle, it is a bit strong. मैं ऐसे नहीं बोलूँगी कि इतना strong है कि you cannot carry it, but वही होता है ना oud. You must have tried Ajmal collection. Ajmal के जो I've recently tried one of their collection. It is by the Artisan series. And it is really amazing, although it has spicy notes. So जो oud होते हैं ना, उसमें spicy notes हो सकते हैं. They can have woody, smoky notes, musky notes, थोड़े deeper notes. So this fragrance matched the expectation. The kind of vibe it's giving me, it stands by it. So it is if I rate it on the scale of 10, I would give it 8. इस fragrance में it is a fragrance that you can try यार, ऐसे rotation में you try different fragrances. कभी कुछ time के लिए for some weeks you're trying one fragrance, for some weeks you try some other fragrance, ऐसे करके. And it can also go well with some blend. अगर इसके साथ किसी citrusy perfume को लगाओगे, so it will go with a blend. So it is a really nice buy, मतलब must try है, you can try it. And I तो personally loved it. मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. मेरे it actually again stood out my expectations. So it's a go from my end. And although it's 3000, store पे तो you'll get it at the quoted price, आपको कम नहीं मिलेगा, but online you'll get it at sale. You can definitely grab this up on sale. When it comes to actual perfumes, the glass bottle ones, the high-end perfumes like Yves Saint Laurent, Chanel, Gucci, so these perfumes are worth it because ये last long करते हैं, इनकी projection इतनी होती है. definitely worth it. But when it comes to mists, do not invest more than 2k in the fragrances. That would be my personal opinion. So guys, that was all about the review today. I'll be back with more such videos, and if you've come so far and enjoyed watching, please share it with your friends and family, and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye bye.